guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you 4 different ways I use to remove my makeup, and if you're lazy like me, I'm sure you can relate. So before we jump into this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Of course, hit that red button. Also, I'm going to show you the products I'm using in this video, and the clips you see me removing my makeup are filmed in different days when I had makeup on. So it's very important to remove your makeup no matter how lazy you are. Do not go to bed with your makeup on, okay? That's the most important rule to follow if you want a clear, beautiful looking skin. Otherwise, dirt will be trapped inside your pores and it will cause pimples and breakouts, and you don't want that. Trust me, I don't want that for my skin. So I know I said 4 different ways. There's a lot more than 4 different ways, but these are the ways I like to remove my makeup because I'm lazy. I know I'm lazy, I admit it. What can I do? I'm lazy, okay? So all these different ways have the same purpose: to remove your makeup. So the first product I'm going to show you is this from Pond's. This is called Cream Cleanser, Moisturizing Deep Cleanser and Makeup Remover. I discovered this before Christmas and I'm deeply in love with this. I think this is my favorite way to remove my makeup. I know the most effective way is to use actual water and a cleanser. No matter what cleanser, a face cleanser, oil-based, a foam. I have a foam here. It can be a gel, but if you're lazy like me, you are going to use whatever you have in your hands to remove your makeup before you go to bed. So make sure you remove your makeup. So yeah, I think using water and a face cleanser is the most effective way to remove your makeup, and maybe if you are in the mood, you can exfoliate after that. Trust me, your skin will appreciate that, but not every day I want to wash my face. I still want to remove my makeup, but I don't want to wash my face, use a cleanser. Anyway, so using cream cleanser or oil are my 2 favorite ways to remove my makeup. And I know I didn't show in the video, but sometimes, not all the time, sometimes when I'm extra lazy, I use wipes to remove my makeup. I know it's not the best way, but you know, I'm just lazy. So I like my wipes to be very moist, very wet, and if they are not wet enough, I go with my micellar water and pour some water in there and then remove my makeup. I know it's not the best way, but what can I do? I'm lazy. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling right now and I'm going to show you how these products work. Alright, so there's not much to say about this. It's just me removing my makeup, and I usually use 2 to 3 makeup wipes, and then I go over with some cotton pads and micellar water and I make sure that I remove everything. Don't forget your neck. And I use as many cotton pads as I need until they come out clean, and usually it takes like 2 or 3. Okay, sorry for bad angles, but I really don't know how to film myself facing the mirror, so yeah. Here I'm using my face foam cleanser, and you can use whatever face cleanser you have. In my opinion, this is the most effective way to remove your makeup, and also is the easiest, but you know, sometimes I don't want to wash my face because I'm lazy, so I usually remove my makeup in my sofa watching TV or YouTube, so yeah. And again, I'm using as many wipes as I need to remove everything left and until they came out clean. As I said in the intro, I like my wipes to be very wet, that's why I'm using micellar water. You can use only cotton pads, they will do the exact same work, but I don't know, for some reason I like more makeup wipes. And I noticed that removing my makeup this way is taking me forever. I think because makeup wipes are not that effective, but they still remove my makeup, so I don't know if that makes sense. But it's taking longer to remove my makeup this way, and also I have to use more wipes. Coconut oil is my second favorite way to remove my makeup, not just because of the benefits that this has for my skin, but if you ever removed your makeup with coconut oil, you know that this gives you that film on the eyes. I don't know how to explain that, but my vision is blurry, so I have to go straight to bed. So that's why it's my second favorite, I guess. Anyway, next I'm going to wet this face towel with very hot water, and then I'm going to wipe my face, I mean my makeup. And this time I'm not going to use the micellar water, I'm going to use this toner from Lancaster. I really like how this smells, and I like to use toners because they help with balancing the pH level and close pores. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to remove your makeup before you go to bed. I don't want to sound like your mother telling you to do something, but it's very, very important to remove your makeup. Okay, so please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. And yeah, please who's that? No, whale. So